Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we're excited to introduce you to our brand new CREE XBD rear LED dome light kit. Now this dome light kit is going to give you much more brightness in the rear cab portion of your truck or Bronco. It's an excellent upgrade. It's easy to install and it's going to replace the dim factory unit completely. So you don't have to switch out any boards or anything like that. We're just going to remove this one from the headliner and replace it with the new light. Our initial Lux reading test gave us fantastic results. So about 1 inch from the emission point here of the factory unit, we were reading about 3,500. But on the same meter and at the same point, 1 inch away from our emission point here on our new unit, we were around 44,000. So that is an incredible change in brightness at just 1 inch away from our emission point. What those numbers show us is not only how much brighter and effective these new lights are, but how dim and ineffective the factory lights themselves were, and we didn't even realize how bad they are. The installation is extremely easy. We're going to show you today here on this 2024 F-150, but again, this model is going to work on any 21 and newer F-150s, your 23 and up Super Duties, your 21 and up Ford Broncos, really anything with this particular unit, you'll be able to replace with this CREE XBD dual unit. We're going to be using the F-150 LEDs Easy Installation Toolkit just to make it that much easier and to make sure that we don't damage the headliner. We're going to show you it's done right now. The first thing that we're going to do is cut off our dome light. So we're going to come to the front console here at the top of the roof and hit that courtesy door light button. The first thing that we're going to do now that we're in the back seat is to simply remove this OEM light from the headliner. So we're going to use a tool from the Easy Installation Toolkit here just to pry through up against the headliner. There's some spring clips here on the sides of this assembly that when you push in and pry away, allows you to remove the unit from the headliner. There's a push-in spot here at the top, so if you push in on that clip and pull away, it'll allow us to fully remove this assembly and set it aside. We won't need it any longer. And then we can take the new F-150 LEDs, Dual CREE XBD rear dome light assembly here, and then we're just gonna connect it right back to this factory harness. Make sure you click it in all the way. And then you'll be able to push it back in to the headliner, just like so. Now we can repeat for our driver's side. To finalize our installation, we're going to sync our new lights by holding down on the dome light button here for 5 seconds. Then we're going to turn our courtesy door light button back on. If you find that your dome lights are not cutting themselves off after you exit the truck and lock it, you need to hit this button one more time. So that's all there is to installing the F-150 LEDs Dual CREE XBD rear dome light kit here on your 2024 Ford F-150. Now the installation is going to be very similar, almost identical if you're installing it on a Super Duty or even on your Bronco. You can check these lights out right now at F150LEDs.com, where you'll find all of our custom built LED lighting products built specifically for your Ford. We truly appreciate your support. We really do, and we are excited to serve you at F150LEDs.com. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube below and follow us on Instagram and Facebook at F150LEDs. We truly appreciate your support. Looking forward to serving you soon. Thanks, guys.